Hey everyone, this is Jeremy from InstaLOD. Wanted Dead is a hybrid slasher shooter game that takes place in a dystopian cyberpunk version of Hong Kong. In this video, we take a brief look at how the team at Soleil used InstaLOD to create LODs for a wide range of assets from various sources and for multiple generations of gaming hardware. During the production period for Wanted Dead, optimization was scheduled to take place at the end of the mass production stage before release. By this time, many assets had already left the hands of the artists and had come from multiple sources such as in-house, outsourced, or other marketplaces. The challenge was to create LODs for a wide range of assets. What added an additional challenge was that the title had initially been developed for the new generation of gaming hardware and was then ported to the old generation through a different production. InstaLOD was used to create LODs for the vast library of art assets, including both the environments and characters that were used both in-game and in cutscenes. InstaLOD also provided the flexibility to create an LOD setup that allowed anyone in the production to make use of it. As the production deadline was close at hand, it was necessary to have an LOD system that could be applied to a very large number of assets, regardless of where they came from. The team at Soleil stated that InstaLOD helped them to create LODs efficiently, making it easier to focus on challenges that required more attention.
Detective.
Oh, Scheiße.
What a pleasant surprise.
Hi there.
Hi. You will find my report on your desk tomorrow morning.
Thank you for letting me know.
There'll be a lot to discuss once you're through.
Looking forward to it.
If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.